literally sing anything.
Would you welcome, please, Linda Ronstadt.
Linda was the queen. She was like what Beyonce is now.
Feeling better now that we're through.
She came to L.A. when the rock and roll scene was in gear and was going. It was the place to play.
Linda was a very determined woman.
I knew she was going to be a big star.
Linda is such a perfectionist. She's a pain in the ass sometimes.
She was the only female artist to have 5 platinum albums in a row.
Winner is Linda Ronstadt.
It was like, bang.
Yeah, baby. She was the first female rock and roll star.
Try following Linda Ronstadt every night.
But people didn't notice the difficulty of being a woman, trailblazing, and having the success of a Mick Jagger.
The rock and roll culture seems to be dominated by hostility against women. What happens is that they lose the ability to focus on themselves as a person rather than as an image, you know?
I've been cheated.
There was a certain amount of banding together with women.
Linda had a lot to do with lifting me up. We were throwing away all those conventions.
When we heard our voices, it was like a high like you've never felt.
She wanted to sing everything.
New wave, opera,
Mariachi. My family are Mexican, and that is my roots.
They always told her, you'll ruin your career.
I'm going to do this just for me.
She did it anyway.
As time went on, there was something really wrong with my voice.
But nobody could handle change or adjustment in a more thoughtful way than Linda.
She was just a sweet, humble person.
There's just no one that will have a voice like Linda's.